So today we are going to solve our question number 6 from the SD sheet, which is searching in a rotated sorted array. Okay. Since it's written sorted, we will be using binary search. But before that, first we are going to show the interviewer that we are going to use brute force method, and then say call to him that since brute force takes larger time complexity, therefore we should optimize our approach with binary search since the array is sorted. Yeah. So let's try that linear approach. Or index is zero, index is less than arms plus if arms of target, then uh, I you need to return the index, right? Since we need to search zero in the first example, and zero is at 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, both index. We need to return the index of the target. Otherwise, we could have returned -1 if target is not present in the array. Let's try this solution. And minus. And then first we will try to run the test cases. So it has passed all the test cases from the mm, description. Now we are submitting this. It should pass. It is taking 0 milliseconds and 100% better than other solution because the constraint of this question are, I guess, very low. You can see this constraint are from 1 till 5,000. This is nothing. This is, in computer terms, this is very low. The constraint's length, num's length should vary from till 10 to the power 4 if you want to see the magic of binary search and linear search if you want to compare. Now let's try.